Hi, I'm Rachel, product manager at LifeStraw. We're here today to walk through the Peak Series and all the usage, care, maintenance, daily tips and tricks that might be helpful to you as a user of our Peak Series. We're going to focus right now on our 8-liter system, our 8-liter gravity system, and so what you can kind of expect when you open up the box and what's included and what kind of components are coming with the product. So to start, we have our 8-liter bag, which is going to be also including the carabiner to help with hanging, and will come with a plug cap to prevent leakage when, in storage or transport, and then the cap as well can unscrew, and in that you'll see a pre-filter basket in the bag as well, which will come with the system. In addition to the bag and all its kind of included and attached components, you'll also find the hose that will allow the gravity system to flow water, as well as the filter and backwash syringe. Just a quick reminder in terms of kind of compatibility with our Peak Series, this filter is compatible not only with the 8-liter system that you receive it with, but also with our squeeze bottles, so the 650 and 1 liter, as well as the 3-liter gravity system. So this filter is cross-compatible over the whole Peak line. So when you're ready to use your 8-liter system, you're gonna bring the bag over to your fresh water source, remove the cap by unscrewing it, and then you're ready to fill it up. This pre-filter membrane does not need to be taken out in order to fill it up. It can stay in the bag, and then once it's full, you're just gonna throw the cap back on, making sure that that plug cap is still in there so that you don't have any leakage while you're transporting it. A great feature of this bag is this carry strap that can be adjusted to suit your needs. So while it can also be used to hang the bag up, you can create kind of a carrying bag situation to kind of ease the weight. The carabiner can be attached to this strap on the front. It could also be attached to the bottom strap, really whatever preference you have, whatever makes it easier for you to carry. You can throw it onto your back to carry this back to your site. Again, very customizable to suit your needs. Once you do get it back to your campsite, we recommend kind of attaching the filter and hose before you hang it up so that you don't have any sort of water flowing through, no real risk of leakage. So to do so, you're going to kind of elevate the cap a bit, remove the plug cap, and then attach the filter and attach the hose, making sure that while you're doing this, and especially before you hang it up, that this pinch clip is engaged so that you don't have any leakage or water flowing through. At this point, you're ready to hang it, and so you can take your hanging strap and you can pass it over your hanging source, and there's a strap on the back that you can attach the carabiner through to hang it up. At this point, you're pretty much ready to drink some clean water. So you just want to disengage the pinch clip for water to flow through. To get the best flow rate possible, you're going to want to hang this as high as possible to have the tube being as straight as possible down to the ground. Additionally, if you have any other issues or want to improve flow rate a little bit better, you can pull through at the bottom of the hose with a couple of quick sips to improve flow rate. When you're not using the bag for water access, you can just re-engage the pinch clip so that you don't have any water flowing through. When you need to either change campsites, move, or take the bag down, you're just gonna take it off your hanging source and then unattach your filter, throw your plug cap back on, and you're ready to use this to transport water. So when you're done using your 8-liter gravity system and you need to store it for a month or longer, we do recommend using a salt solution to store the membrane. So to do that, first you're going to need to get a reusable container and fill it with about a cup of water. And to that, you're going to add about a teaspoon of salt and mix it in. From there, you're going to take your backwash syringe and attach it to the filter. And then you're going to pull the salt solution into the membrane. From there, you're going to unattach the backwash syringe, place the filter in the container, cover it with a lid, and store it. The salt solution is intended to keep the membrane hydrated so that it doesn't dry out, and will also prevent mold and algae growth. If you're storing your bag as well, you do want to make sure that your plug cap is removed so that we don't have any mold or algae growth in there either. When you're ready to pull the filter back out, use your gravity system again. You'll just pull your container out with your filter, reattach your backwash syringe, and then push this salt solution back through. And from there, you're ready to use it. You may notice a salty taste to the water the first couple times you use it, but that will go away after time. So these videos are meant to be general usage, care, tips, tricks, and maintenance. But if you have any additional questions that we haven't covered here, feel free to reference our other technical videos or reach out to us via email.